Alright, so in this video, how y'all can be a missed responder or text back if you're wanting to actually, or you're a business, create something. So essentially the workflow, you miss a call, an automated text, then hopefully if the lead replies, we try to book them. That's the whole kind of workflow. It's really, but this right here, you can sell to, which because obviously this is kind of directly correlated to like their actual money. More of an intriguing offer than just like, oh, I can sell you like some automation. Like the thing about it is like sell automation, but most business owners don't really care about like, oh, make this automation anytime. Like it's like, okay, but they want to, right? And like saving them time is kind of making them more money, but if you can't sell and commit things well, it's going to be hard to sell that. But selling people more money, like we're going to get you more money, is a lot easier. So this right here is just a little demo on how exactly this would work. So we have the missed call right here. Then as soon as it's a missed call and the person doesn't answer, it automatically sends a text to them. So we try to qualify them, see if they're interested in the service. And you can build more on top of this. This is a baseline, like if they respond, say whatever demo I built real fast so you could actually see how this will work. And how this actually works is, so there's follow-ups on day 1, 3, and 7. I will say one note for this is you are going to have to get a registered number. This right here, if your business is easy, a few days. If you're not, it's kind of a pain in the ass to do, but that is one. So now let's get into actually how to build this. And so the first thing is you're going to look up VS Code and make sure you have this downloaded, or you can do this through the Claude app. I like to go, and if you're wondering if there's a difference, there's not really a difference. So now once you've downloaded VS Code, we want to come over here and open up VS Code. And for you, I already have Claude down, but for you, you're going to want to go extensions, type in Claude, install. Now, if you haven't signed up with the on Claude subscription, you will have to sign up for subscription. I would recommend starting out with probably the $17 one. If not, because you'll see as you use it, you're probably gonna need the $100, but just start with $17. So you'll need to connect all that. I'm not gonna do that in this video. So now we're gonna want to put it in plan mode. And so you know this is the prompt we're gonna use right here. But I have the GitHub link, or the GitHub link, I'll have this full skill already built out. Y'all can just use it and put it into your cloud and build on top of it, make changes, but you already have like a baseline with that description. And also in the free school community, I will have this prompt. And if y'all want to use this prompt, I mean, you can just talk to Claude, which I would recommend. But if you never use Claude, this is just a prompt you can for it. You build this. And what I would honestly recommend, if you like what I've kind of already built, is taking that skill, putting it into Claude, and building on top. Like I said, this GitHub link will be in my free school. If y'all want to know how to actually, if y'all never added a skill to your Claude, this is all you would do. Copy the link, which I'll just have the link, and you'll paste it in like this and say add this as a skill. I don't know why I just typed that. Normally I just talk to it, but yeah, it's literally just that easy. That's all you would do. So this right here is the prompt you can use to start building. I'm not going to go and build this again, but we can go ahead and start it. Make sure you have it in plan mode. So once we're in plan mode, now we're just going to give it the prompt. When it starts building, we'll start asking us questions to help decipher on things you about. So it'll help guide you in the right direction on what you're actually trying to build and like tweak it to what you want, because at the end of the day, like most people have their own nuances. This is not that nuanced because it's like a follow-up system, but if you wanted to this certain like instead of doing it this way, you could do it that way. Like there's so much nuance you can add to it. All right, as you see, it's starting to ask us question right here and everything like that about the business, because I have in the prompt like fill in, paste that in. I'm not going to keep continuing. I think y'all understand and see what exactly you can do and need to do, like with the putting it in plan mode, building it. If you're like brand new, this probably isn't a great video for you, because I'm kind of going over more somebody that would. If you don't know how to use Claude Code, I do have more beginner videos on just like setting it up. If y'all have any questions, DM me in my free school. I'll leave that linked in the bio, and y'all can join. I'll have the prompt in there and the GitHub repo if y'all want to join. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you.